One of the questions I see on message boards and emails and comments and chats and all the time is how long, once you reach your limit, once you reach the quota, how long does it take for YouTube to authorize your channel for monetization? How long does it take to get approval? And I'm here to tell you, I just went through it. I just did. This is my third channel, and I applied on Friday. Today is Monday, and I got approval when I sat down, opened my email. I was approved this morning. That's it. Over the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, basically 3 days is how long it took right now to get my approval, my authorization to join the partner program. And I'm going to show you how much money I've made since then. Right now, pulling back the curtain, showing you all, this is how much I've made since this morning, and that's $0. I've made no money. Not one red cent. Let me refresh. Nope, still $0. So that's to be expected. It just got authorized. And on my last channel, my middle channel, not my big channel, but my middle channel, it took me about, I think it took me a month to actually reach the threshold, and then after that, I think it took about a week for me to get authorized. But that was like end of November, beginning of December kind of stuff, and everything was crazy. You know, it's fourth quarter, YouTube shopping's going off, all the stuff, everyone's busy. It's a little less busy now, you know, late March, nothing going on. Spring has sprung, all for that. So I hate winter. When I was a kid, I loved winter. As an adult, having to deal with it, not so much. Luckily, we kind of skipped winter this year up here in Montana. Not missing it one bit. Anyway, so as far as how long it took me to get monetized here, well, that's kind of, yeah. So this channel has been around for a while, but I didn't really use it for much. It was just kind of like I had this idea, I was going to do something with it, I was going to do this with it, and it became one thing, it was another thing. It was going to be, for a while, it was going to be my bourbon and cigar channel. And then I had some health issues, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get healthy. I'm going to lose some weight. Lost 100 pounds so far. I'm going to quit smoking. Did that instantly. Quit drinking. Did that instantly. Gave up caffeine. Went back on caffeine because I need something. Anyway, I've quit caffeine like 4 or 5 times, and I keep crawling back to it. Everything else, I managed to walk away. Just quit sugar, not a problem. Caffeine, just got to keep them close. Okay, just leave me something, all right? But it took me, when I started getting serious, I got serious about this channel. I think it was, I go back and look at my content. I got it right here. So I think it was in December or November, I started getting serious about posting here more often. And let's see here. Like my first post on this channel is from January of 2020. And there's 1, 2, 3, was there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6, looks like 6 posts in 2020, 2 posts in 2021, 1 post in 2023, and then in 2024, I posted in January, in February, in July, twice in August, then 3 times in September of last year, and then, wow, and then in 2025, it was April, and then November's when I got serious. November's when I started posting consistently, and you got to post consistently. As a small channel, you need to be posting probably 3 times a week. If you can do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that's probably best case scenario. Honestly, if you can be posting every day, that might be worth, because really, you don't know what's going to catch. You don't know exactly what you're going to put out there until you learn how to do this. You're building a skill set, and the more hooks you put in the water, the more fish you're going to catch, all right? That's just the way it is. So I started getting serious in November. 1, 2, 3 posts, 4 posts in November, and then probably 4 or 5 through December. And then I did 1 in January, didn't do another one until March. My bad. Just totally skipped February. So this has always been my channel that has not been super serious. This has been the channel where people ask me questions from the other channels. Hey, how do I do this? And rather than posting or rather than answering, I'll get like 5 emails. Once I get like 3 emails asking the same question, I know, hey, maybe I should make a video about this, because I try to help people and give back and whatnot. So that's what this channel was. It was just my way of mass answering emails. It really wasn't me using the stuff that I teach you on this channel. Watch the other channels. That's where I do that. Links to those, by the way, if you go to the home page of this channel and you subscribe, then you can see at the bottom the other channels. Okay, you can see them if you don't subscribe, but you should really subscribe. Why aren't you subscribed? Anyway, it's the Dental Tools and 3D Print Rancher. You can always tell what channel I'm filming on based on which hat I have going here. I don't know what this hat is. I don't even know where this hat came from. I'm pretty sure it's my son's. So, oh, wrong hat. There we go. All right, we're back. You can do this. It's not that hard. It really isn't. I know it feels like it is, but if you are having problems doing this and not being successful, it's because there's people telling you what you need to do and you're doing the opposite. I've seen people post to this channel. There's one guy, great guy, he had 700 videos, tons of great stuff. Not a thumbnail. Not a thumbnail on any one of them. He just took a picture of whatever he was doing or did a screenshot, and that was the thumbnail, okay? Whatever, like, probably YouTube suggested, that's the thumbnail. And most of his videos are him going fishing and him walking the dog or him going here and him, which is great, but that's vlogging content that was popular 15 plus years ago, all right? People aren't coming to YouTube to watch vlog content. They want to be entertained. They want to laugh about something. They want to be titillated about something. If that's your thing, it's not my thing. All right. They want to see drama. Not those people either. Or they want to learn something. So unless you're prepared to answer a question or show them some value or provide a service or something for them, you just going fishing is unlikely to get you the views. And people will tell you that. I'm telling you that. If you keep doing that, that's great. Then you've got yourself a hobby channel. Be happy with your hobby channel, but just don't be upset that you're not getting the views that you think that you should. That's the reason you're not getting those views. I answer people's questions on this. And in doing so, I got enough views that I got okayed. Now people will say, well, you got okayed faster because you have these other channels. Well, I didn't get okay. It took a week on my other channel. I don't know why it took 3 days on this one. I mean, my main channel's got 300,000 subscribers. And I've been on here 10 years. You think by that one I'd get, approved instantly, but no, there we are. So if you're curious how long it takes, there you go. I now have 3 channels fully monetized. And I'm not going on one channel and saying, hey, everyone, go over to this other channel. All right. I expressly did not even talk about my second channel on my first channel. Are you confused yet? My first channel, my second. On the 3D printer channel, I didn't talk about that on my Dental Tools channel until it got monetized. So I could prove to you people on this channel that it's not about, like, I didn't cheat and take viewers from one and move them to the other. You can do this as long as you build the skill set. If you got any questions, put it down below. If we brought you value, chomp the old like button. Smash the subscribe. You're going to need it. All right? Ring the bell on the way out so you actually hear about it. And you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.